Hello there YouTube, Escargo80 here, coming back at you from another long break. It's been almost a month since I have done another video. So much happening in the community right now. A top 50 comics tag started with you know who, and I'm amazed and inspired by watching all of you guys' videos. It's amazing. I want to just make a shout out and count some names: Alex, Thanatos, Aim High Comics, Seeking Near Mint, Kizik, Alfred83 Games, Comic Crypt of the Castle Hills, Roman Curtis, The Walking Jedi, but most and foremost, I enjoyed Mr. D's top 50 books. It was awesome, sir. It was very juicy books, very delicious taste. Congratulations to everybody. I am not doing my top 50 books right now, maybe later, I don't know. I'll just do a very quick haul and show you my recent pickups. So before we start, I just want to show you very quickly my awesome Harry Potter coffee mug, which I'm enjoying recently. This is Gryffindor the Brave. It's an amazing coffee mug, gifted to me by my very dear friend Nia. Cheers. Thank you a lot. Thanks. So here's Fantastic Four #1, beautiful Archer variant. I did not pick up the other 3 members, but this one was too beautiful to pass. So here comes another beautiful Archer variant. I believe everybody has this, Wonder Woman 51. So this is Flash 51, the last variant done by Francesco Mattina for now. Beautiful white variant cover by another fantastic European artist, Gabriel Del Otto. Mattina continues killing with his Deathstroke covers. This is Deathstroke 34. Awesome cover. I don't think I have 33 yet. Another popular book by Joshua Middleton. This is Aquaman 39. A beautiful Mara cover. So I'm very glad my LCS kept a copy for me. This is Buffy Volume 12, #1, and it's a Stephanie Hans variant. There you go. Beautiful. Sorry for the glare, guys. I got my hands on this at the last minute. This was from one of the last 3 copies, and this is Justice League #4. Beautiful Wonder Woman cover by the man himself, Jim Lee. So here's a personal nostalgic cover. This is Superman Batman #10. I picked this up from a local friend. This is in awesome condition. It's like minimum 9.4, 9.6. It's not a high-priced book, but I love the Michael Turner's work in this cover. It's beautiful, and the story is awesome too. Speaking of personal nostalgic covers, this is one of my favorite Joshua Middleton covers. This is MYX #2. This was gifted to me last week in a local comic fest, let's say, in my neighborhood, by an awesome Turkish YouTuber. His name is Berkay. I'll leave a link of his channel. Please check him out, guys, and look at this beautiful Joshua Middleton cover. I know this is not #3 or #4, but yet this is still one of my favorite Josh Middleton covers. And last but not least, the crown jewel of my haul is, I apologize for the glare, ladies and gentlemen, this is Batman 612. This is the 5th book in the Huss series. Awesome minty condition. This is easily 9.6. Another awesome friend of mine, massive Turkish collector, comic books collection. I'll have his Instagram account in the link. Hooked me up with this book, and thanks again so much, bro. I'm so glad to re-get this, an awesome copy of this book in my collection. I'll definitely recollect the remaining books of the series. Thank you a lot. The last 2 books of my haul, one of them is on the display behind me. It's a Mark Brooks cover, and the other one, I just recently ordered a book from J. Scott Campbell store. I just cut this part and I'll unbox it as we talk, and we see if I got a remark or not. But so, as most of you may know, J. Scott Campbell is my favorite artist. I really do enjoy his cover art, and he has an amazing team. They sent their books with these awesome shiny mylar and with a certificate of authenticity, the true exclusive seal and everything. This is the Amazing Spider-Man 2 cover A. You don't have to purchase the whole set, and I love his autograph a lot, by the way. Look at his Mary Jane. This is, you know, his Mary Jane is the best, and the man himself got married very recently. He is on his honeymoon. Huge congratulations, sir. I wish you all the happiness and all the best. Let's check this out one last time. Since I've shown you an awesome Mary Jane cover, I gotta show you a Black Cat cover. And this is the last book of my haul. This is Amazing Spider-Man #1, a Mark Brooks variant. This is cover C, the Virgin variant, and it is signed by Nick Spencer and Mark Brooks himself. You can see the autographs in black. This is a beautiful, beautiful Virgin cover. So it seems like that's all for now, everybody. I was out of town for a month and this is what I could gather. I got some more pre-orders on the way and I'll try to make more videos very soon. Please leave a like and sub up if you haven't already. Thank you so much, so very much for watching this video. Hope to see you guys soon. Cheers.